Hey guys, so my sister had a very rough 2020, so I decided to clean her room for her to bring a smile to her face, and she's been meaning to clean her room, but she's just procrastinating on it, and I just thought it would just help if I cleaned it for her, and I thought it was a very nice thing for her, and it's a surprise for when she comes home from her friend's house. She'll see her new clean room, and she'll be so happy. And I'm doing this for that. Also, I made this account to show me cleaning things like cleaning my sister's room and other things, and it would help if you followed or liked, but you don't really have to. At least just watch the video maybe, because you should do something nice like cleaning your room for your sister, or even the smallest thing like opening a door for someone. So I hope you have a great day, and this is the final product. Hey.
Getting the nasty shit on my new apartment floor. Woo woo! Saw this on TikTok. All that fucking dirt. Enjoy that. Yes. Yeah, the floor, it's just so dirty compared to the bathroom. I also cleaned the bathroom before this. So yeah, we're just gonna see how this goes. I have a lot of... Please clean your floors, because they should not be this black, bro. This shit was disgusting. My hands smell like feet. I should have used gloves, but you know, I was just trying to get in there. I know I missed that, but like, it's so satisfying, okay? I hope you enjoy this. It took a lot of work. I love how I recorded me applying it, but not like the bleach. Oh. Yeah. Look at it working. Oh. Let me know if you want a part 2 of me actually scrubbing it down. Getting the natural. Ew.
How should I feel? All you rich kids have like California king beds and like floor to ceiling windows and like balconies out there, but how many of you guys have 2 floors in your bedroom? That's right. I got a full staircase. Be jealous. All you rich kids have
What it do, Jada Boo?
We are lovers true and through, and though we made it through the storm.